As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on the tools and parts we use in today's project. Today, we're checking out the Subaru Legacy, and the rear caliper is locking up. So we want to check and see how do you figure out which wheel is locking up and that sort of thing. So let's check it out. Okay guys, and if you're driving your car and you feel like one of your wheels is locking up, sometimes it'll smoke, sometimes it'll make noise. The way to determine which wheel is locking up is we're gonna go ahead and lift both wheels up off the ground, and then we're just gonna come over here. Hey, does this one spin? Yeah, that one spins great. And then we're gonna come over here and, oh, that one doesn't spin, so we got a problem. Same thing for the front, and we'll go ahead and take this wheel off and check it out. So now we're taking off this wheel with our super nice Milwaukee 1/2 inch. It's a 19mm. Alright, so here we are. As you can see, still won't turn. It's really warm from when we did the test drive because there's a lot of friction. It doesn't want to turn. When you drive it, it's going to turn. So it's all rusty. We're going to take this caliper off, and that's probably our problem right here. The solution I believe today is going to be replace this caliper. The caliper's probably locked up, so let's keep looking at it. So on this Subaru, we just took this 12mm bolt off right here, and then there's no bolt on this one, so basically you're just going to lift this guy up and pull out. And we also took a flathead screwdriver, stuck it down in here, and kind of just pried a little bit, and now check it out. Our wheel spins. So that's it, guys. We're going to replace this caliper. Probably, depending on what the customer wants, maybe replace the pads and rotors as well. But that will fix our locked wheel there. So now you know how to figure out which wheel it is and what the problem is. A lot of times these calipers lock up and will cause it to feel like the wheel is dragging. So another possibility could be a wheel bearing, but most commonly it's going to be this caliper. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.